selling on BigIron.com May 18th, 2016. 2007 Peterbilt 379 semi-truck. With 858,634 miles showing, it has a 475 horsepower Caterpillar A-Cert NXS turbocharged diesel engine with an engine brake, 13-speed transmission. It has a 63-inch Unibilt sleeper, 266-inch wheelbase, Pete low air leaf suspension with dump valve, 3.36 gear ratio, differential lock, sliding fifth wheel, 110-gallon dual fuel tanks, dual stacks, dual air cleaners, air ride driver seat, air conditioning and heat, radio, cruise control. The rear tires are 455 R22.5 and the front tires are 11 R22.5. It has a 17,552-pound chassis weight. For more information, call Adam at 308-389-7430. Thank you for visiting BigIron.com.